Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And Halloween is almost here and you still don't have a costume. Don't worry, I am going to show you a super quick skeleton makeup you can do in under 2 minutes. So guys, grab black eyeliner or face paint. Start by hollowing out your eyes in a big round shape. Don't worry about being perfect. Messy is spooky cool. Next, your nose, draw an upside down heart or triangle on the tip. Instead, skeleton vibes. Now for the teeth, draw vertical lines over your lips and outward along your cheeks. Uneven lines make it look extra creepy. So guys, if you have a few extra seconds, add lines on the forehead or jaw for cracks. A little shading with black eyeshadow make it pop. And that's it. A fast, quick and skeleton look perfect for last minute Halloween fun. So guys, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more quick Halloween hacks and comment below your favorite spooky ideas. Happy hunting guys. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.